So guys, finally the MetaMask airdrop has been officially confirmed and it's now completely launched. In this video, I'm going to explain the complete process, how you can participate in the upcoming MetaMask wallet airdrop, what the steps are and what task you need to complete to earn a good amount of rewards. So first of all, I've given the Telegram channel link in the description. Join the Telegram channel first because all updates come there first. The MetaMask airdrop joining link is also shared there. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be redirected to that post. Now before doing anything, if you want to participate using your mobile, go to the Play Store and update the MetaMask app, both Android and iOS users. And if you're using Windows or a Chrome extension, make sure to update your extension too, otherwise you won't see the new option. After updating, log in with your wallet. Then go to the Telegram link I shared. That link will let you access the airdrop page and instantly earn 250 free points. Just click on the link I provided. After clicking, an interface will appear that says Season 1 is live. Inside you'll find all details, what activities to complete, your level progress, and at the bottom an option to claim 250 points. Once you click, you'll see earn points on every trade. You'll earn points based on your trades. The more you trade, the more points you'll earn. Then click next and you'll see level up for bigger perks. As you level up, you'll unlock exclusive tokens and free metal cards. Click next again and you'll see exclusive seasonal rewards. Click next again. Then you'll be asked to enter a referral code. Only then will you receive the 250 points. You can use the referral code shown on the screen. After entering the code, click on claim points. This is the main airdrop page. Here you'll see your total points. First you'll have 250 base points plus 250 referral points, 500 total points, and your level will become level 1. This season will end in 84 days, so join early so you don't miss it. Here you'll also find exclusive boosts. For example, if you swap using mobile, you'll earn 1.5x points, and if you swap online, you'll earn 2x points. Now let's talk about how to earn points. The main task, it's simple. Go to the trade section and swap tokens. For every $100 swap, you'll earn 80 points. For perps trades, you'll get 10 points per $100. Here in the level section, you can increase your level for higher rewards. For example, you need 500 more total 1000 points to reach level 2 and 25,000 points to reach level 3 and so on up to level 7. At level 7, you can unlock a metal card which requires a large number of points. Here in the activity section, you can see your total earning points. You can also invite friends and earn through referrals. Your friend will get a 2x sign up bonus and you will earn 10 points for every 50 points your friend earned through trading. So if your friend joins and trades, they'll get 500 points instantly from your referral. You won't get points right away, but once your friend starts trading, you'll earn from their activity. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel for updates. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.